Good afternoon. In lesson 2, in unit 7, we are going to talk about winds, الرياح. Now look at the pictures. What each picture is. The first picture shows wind causing a sandstorm. الرياح تسبب العاصفة الرملية. The second picture shows high pressure تظهر الضغط العالي. And the third shows a wind form where wind is used to generate electricity, توليد الكهرباء. Now let us read the paragraphs. Paragraph A. We can see it, but we can feel it. Sometimes the wind is gentle and make us feel cool on a hot day. It can be used to generate electricity. Sometimes it is so strong. It can damage trees and buildings. Where does it come from? Paragraph B. Wind is connected to change in the temperature of the air. If the air is warm, it expands تتمدد and rises ترتفع. This leaves هذا يترك an area منطقة of low pressure ضغط الواطي near the earth. If the air is cold, it contracts ينكمش and sinks towards the earth تغوص باتجاه الأرض. This creates an area of high pressure near the earth. Wind happens when air moves from areas of high pressure to areas of low pressure. If there is a big difference between the high and the low pressure areas, the winds are very strong. Paragraph C. There are global winds. Global, it means universal. الرياح العالمية. Winds that blow تهب all over the world. The sun heats some parts of the world more than others and creates areas of high and low pressure. Trade winds الرياح التجارية are an example of global winds. They blow from the subtropics الشبه الاستوائي to the equator خط الاستواء. They are called trade winds because in the past sailors البحارة used them to move their sailboats قوارب الإبحار when they wanted to trade عندما يريدون التجارة. Paragraph D. Some winds are local winds الرياح المحلية. They blow only in certain areas of the world. An example of a local wind is the شمال, which blows in the Arabian Gulf الخليج العربي. It blows in the summer only, especially in the afternoon, and decreases وتقل at night. The wind blows from the northeast الشمال الشرقي and can cause sandstorms العواصف الرملية. The last paragraph. In some parts of the world, dangerous storm called hurricanes الأعاصير happen at the end of the summer. If the air above the sea is very warm, the air pressure falls very rapidly. Rapidly, it means quickly, over the warm sea, and the hurricane forms. The wind increase in speed, and they can cause terrible damage to people and buildings when they pass over land. Meteorologists use satellites to try to predict when a hurricane will form and where it will go, so that they can warn people who live in the area. Now, my students, open your activity book at page 114, exercise A. Read these questions. How quickly can you find the paragraph which contains each answer? The words in bold are clues. Question number 1. Where do trade winds blow? This is in paragraph C. Question number 2. What is the shamal? This is in paragraph D. Question number 3. What do meteorologists use to predict hurricanes? This is in paragraph E. The last question. How does wind happen? This is in paragraph B. Now let us answer this question. The answer of question number 1. Trade winds blow from the subtropics to the equator. The second answer of the second question. The shamal is a wind that blows in the Arabian Gulf and can cause sandstorms. The answer of question number 3. They use satellites to predict hurricanes. The last answer of the last question. Wind happen when air moves from areas of high pressure to areas of low pressure. Thank you so much.